फ्यूचर बिजनेस वेबिनार में 200 कॉर्पोरेट की प्रतिभागिता। लॉकडाउन के चलते हर बिजनेस व इंडस्ट्री ऐसी परिस्थितियों में पहुंच चुकी है कि उसे भविष्य के लिए आत्म मंथन की जरूरत है। ऐसे में फ्यूचर बिजनेस आइडियाज को लेकर कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर सुशील अरोड़ा ने वेबिनार का आयोजन किया, जिसमें देश भर से 200 प्रतिभागियों ने हिस्सा लेते हुए विचार विमर्श किया। आइए जाने किसने क्या कहा।
सेल्स पर्सन गेट अ कॉल, जो कॉल आती है एक टिकट रेज हो जाती है सिस्टम CRM सिस्टम ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ कि कॉल आई सी, the call is forwarded to a particular person. The person who actually gets the call is already mapped to the customer on the cloud, on the same CRM or ERP they're using. Now the person who is getting the call, he has to punch it in कि वो call sale आस्ते सीगी, order आस्ते सीगी, के delivery आस्ते सीगी, right? As the owner of the business, he gets to know कि कितनी कॉल आई हैं and if the call was punched into the system or not. If the call is punched in, he gets to know as the owner कि call आई सीगी, this was a purchase call, sales call, order call, या अपना customer feedback call, या अपनी credit आसे आई अपनी call होती. So it has to, then it is monitorable. So let's say you are in this is the right situation where you are, you're physically interacting, your team is not coming to the office, but at the same time, all the calls coming in are being recorded in the cloud. The person who is speaking to them, your employee, a ticket is raised on the ERP. The person receiving the call, he has to punch in on the mobile app that what was the call was regarding, and you as the business owner can also foresee the whole cycle. Now end of the day you see कि मैंने 50 कॉल आईਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, 48 ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਰਿਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਤਾ, ਦੋਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ. So what do you do about it? So you know who the person, the caller's name is already visible to you, because the person calling you, they call one central number. The central number again is mapped with either your accounts department or your sales guy or your support guy. So using technology, you are able to track, control and scale up. You don't have to physically call your employees and see कि तेरी call आई सी भाई की बंदे ने की बोला सीगा, what did he want? You don't need to do any of that anymore. So using technology, if you have a sales team of 20 people, you can go to 200 people and still be able to account for each of your employees and what they have done during the course of the day. So this we have already done for a couple of people in Punjab.
Thank you, sir. That was a great input. Madam Sidhu, I would like to ask a question, because you are from a place we call as Tangda. It's a remote area basically, and you are into the IT sector, and possibly you are dealing with many clients in and around Punjab, all over India, and some international as well. So what do you in your experience, according to your experience, because you have been receiving queries from everywhere, and where do you take the people, the entrepreneurs or the industry in Punjab, their queries in related to other parts of India? The level of
I didn't hear the last part.
Yes. Sorry?
I didn't hear the last part.
Yes, I was saying you are getting queries from Punjab as well as other states of India, and what is the level of queries from the state and other parts of India? Just a simple comparison.
Okay. So I have my experiences both in India as well as US, because my first home is in America. So many businesses, they are now changing, and I must say कि मेरे business पे कोई ज़्यादा effect नहीं पिया. So I have been lucky in this situation, because सारे जाने सोच रहे सी कि वो digital होन ते and many of the business people and many of the entrepreneurs ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ manufacturing firms ਚ ਜਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ restaurants ਆ ਜਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ kind of the business ਆ, everybody has realized कि ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ digital ਹੁੰਦੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਪਾਤੇ, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ office ਚ ਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ. So yes, the queries are very positive. And people have not lose hope. किते ना किते लगता है कि बाहर वाले पासे कि they have lost their hope, but internally, because जिस तरह मैं पहले किया कि business वाले they have already seen so ups and downs in their life कि उन्हें पता है कि उन्हें फिर दोबारा कितना ठीक करना. So the queries are everybody's जिस तरह की हुने गल अपनी हुई सी the last speaker said कि internal ERP systems होने चाहिए ने उन्हें strong करना इस तरह दे भी people are taking steps plus now it's very easy to have your own website ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ forward integration ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਾਂ direct ਖੁਦ sell ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ brand market ਚ launch ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ Shopify ਵਰਗੇ platforms are in just 40-50,000 you can have an excellent website payment gateway even ਤੁਹਾਡੀ inventory ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੁਣ ਪਈ ਵੀ ਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ immediately ਖੁਦ ਦੀ website ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ and then you can start using all the digital channels so ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ step ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਔਖੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ just we have to accept ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ with the move we should move to that side.
Thank you ma'am. Amit ji ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਏਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ somebody was asking me how ERP is cost effective in comparison to the conventional things they are doing. So this is a very relevant question. Yes, all the businessmen खास करके MSM industry सब तो पहले वो cost ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ Amit ji.
So I'll take a minute just to explain the whole concept. There are 2-3 ways you can adopt an ERP solution. एक ERP हैगा जिद्दां SAP type हैगा which is very expensive. Cloud based solutions are user based, per user base. So depend करदा ते कि तुसी per user cost देना चाहते हो या one time cost देना चाहते हो. साडा हैगा one monthly subscription है, one subscription to the company no matter how many users there are. So in my view, if you want a decent solution, a solution that can give you a lot of functionalities, options, please factor in about 2.5 to 5 lakh annual cost. If you think about 2.5 lakh to leke 5 lakh rupees the annual cost, je tusi socho, it's not a very, very big capex or an OPEX cost also. ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਡੇਟ 'ਚ ਮੇਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਸੈਲਰੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਆਪਣੀ GST ਰਿਟਰਨਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਬਿੱਲ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ Shingora monthly cost for the solution because we have a plus solution is 30,000 rupees a month. So 30,000 rupees a month we pay a medium level employee. So I think it is a mindset issue again. Cost नहीं है क्योंकि जेड़ा ताड़ी savings होने लग जानी है जेड़ी ताड़ी work efficiency बढ़ जानी है that is all going to be paid back very very fast. Question is
very right
तानु product क्या हो जा चाहिए किन्नी ताड़ी क्षमता है खर्चन दी. I don't think it is a cost. मैं SAP मेरी एक organization SAP भी चलता है मैंने उत्थे ओदी भी viability दिखदी है because that's a different level of working उस complexity ज़्यादा हैगी है depending on your complexity. For me 30,000 rupees a month is not a big cost.
Very right Amit ji. और moreover जिस तरह ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ program with this is going to become a necessity. Whosoever ropes in will survive because ਹੁਣ survival ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ cost ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ in the long run ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ cost effective ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਔਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ decision ਲੈਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ longevity ਵੱਲ longer period ਵੱਲ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ and initial stage ਤੇ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਪੈਸੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੈ treat it as investment I would say.
ਅਸ਼ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਜੀ 25-30,000 ਰੁਪਏ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ cloud based solution ਦੀ cost ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ I think it is a very very cost effective very good solution. At the rates you pay more to a clerk than this much.
Absolutely.
I just want to add one line.
Watch Daily Hiteshi,
Voice of Nation.